big rainbow. Wow. Ashe, ashe, ashe. This camera can't even compare. You see the rainbow each? Look at it. You see it? Look at the sky. It's red, yellow, green, blue. Red. Wow. Y'all, oh my gosh. Like, this has really have made my day. I would not have a day if this rainbow just really made a smile on my face. I'm really grateful. Wow. Thanks some gratitude. You see the rainbow across the sky? This is your first rainbow. Look. Look at the sky. You see the rainbow? It's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. I am safe by you from a whole place. I am a radiant being of light and healing. I feel peace. I am safe by you from a whole place. Rainbow and peace. Wow, give thanks and gratitude. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know how excited I am to see this huge rainbow. I've never seen a rainbow this big in my life. The Most High's divine eye for this experience. Look at that mountain. You all see that mountain back there? This is amazing. Like, this is what I live for. Little glimpses of randomly in nature. Like, that's why you gotta be present and paying attention. Like, because nature will really, like, blow your mind. Nature has blown my mind several times. Wow, I'm full of gratitude right now. And it's a cloudy day. Gloomy, cloudy day. And actually, I wasn't having the best day. Like, I'm not even going to front and lie. Like, I wasn't even having the best day, and then I just happened to come outside, and the Most High's divine eye reminded me that everything is love. Everything is happening for me. To be appreciative and grateful for everything, you know, and seeing this just reminded me, like, wow, the littlest things can make me, the littlest things in nature that people just overlook makes me just excited and thrilled and ecstatic. It really warms my heart. It's cold out here too, and I'm like,